Hello and good day. In this video, I will be showing you how to do a virtual calculator. I will show you how to program it, the program code, and how it will work after the coding. I'm going to show you how to program the subtraction button, the addition, the multiplication, and division buttons. I'm also going to show you how to do the clear and close buttons. This text box represents the values, the first value that you're going to enter when running or using the calculator, the property that is going to be used, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and the total that it represents the result of the property that you do. Okay, let's begin the program, shall we? First of all, here are the 7 steps that I will show you in the video. The materials that you will need, you will need one PC with Microsoft Windows. You need to have a Microsoft Visual Studio installed, and the programming language that we're going to use is Visual C#. And you can also run this program or do it in a Mac computer, but it is very important that you have Microsoft installed, because in the Mac system it doesn't run, Visual Studio doesn't run in it. So you need to have Microsoft installed, and you can do that. First of all, when you're starting the program, you will need to declare 3 variables. Each variable represents a text box. The variable number 1 represents the first value that you're going to enter, number 2 the second value, and the total of the values of the addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division of each value. And it is type float variable because it can use integer and decimal numbers. Okay, let's begin by showing you the code. When coding, it is very important that you leave some comments. You can comment on this language by doing a double slash. This is an example. It is very recommendable that you leave a comment, because it is like an instruction, because you will, when you do a program, you will not be the only one that will use it, and so you can make it user friendly. Okay, the input, this is the data that you will enter. It represents it here. Here is the text boxes. It represents these. And the formula, it is the total of the addition of the value 1 and the value 2, and the total is the result, and it will be displayed in the text. You can do it like this, and the symbol text, it is in red because this is a string, and it's like an any value, but it's only going to be displayed. That is why it is in red. The multiplication, it is basically like the same as the first one. The only thing that it changes is the symbol, and you will need to do an asterisk here because the common multiplication symbol in computer, it doesn't work. The X, it is like a letter, and the input is basically the same. The only thing that it changes are the symbols here and the X here. You can do that and the X on the display, because it is only going to be displayed. And the division, so computers don't have the common division symbol, and that is why you need to use the slash, and this also the slash is displayed here. The subtraction is basically the same. The only thing that also changes are your symbols. And here is the close buttons code. It is very easy. It's like close and a parenthesis, and that is. And the clear buttons, you just write the text box name and point text, because that is the property, you know, it's a text box, it will only display text. And string represents the contents, and point empty represents that it will clear all. And this is it. Now I will show you how the program runs. I'll enter some sample numbers. As you can see, it displays the number and the property that you used. And the clear button that clears all the text boxes. And after you finish using the program, you can press X or use the close button. Well, this is it. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you learned a lot, and have a nice day. Thank you.